Where are the opportunities to reduce the carbon footprint?
We've got a great solution, but this is a chance to talk about all the important solutions that we need to be deploying in these buildings, because it really is going to take an all of the above strategy, and many of these different approaches or technologies are complementary to each other. Heat pumps, for example, are getting a lot of attention as a more efficient way to heat and cool buildings. Building envelopes, tightening up buildings so you don't have leakage and you can control temperature better. We figured out how to do that. We figured out how to take this concept from spaceships and submarines and have it apply in buildings in a way that worked technically and was cost effective. And that's what we've been doing. So essentially what we have developed is what we call sorbent ventilation technology. And it's a sorbent-based media technology that is deployed in buildings as part of a piece of equipment we call a HLR module, stands for HVAC load reduction module. And these modules have sorbent filters in them. And these sorbent filters, as air passes through them, capture these molecular contaminants. So we're removing them from the airstream. We're capturing CO2 molecules from the air. We're capturing formaldehyde and other VOCs from the airstream and allowing clean air to return to the building and be recirculated. It's all about cleaning enough indoor air so that we don't need as much outside air to maintain healthy indoor air quality.